I've just made over $950 online just by using Google News. So, get your computer or your smartphone ready and let me show you how you can also do exactly the same. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to Google News. If you have never used Google News before, don't worry, all you have to do is type in the search bar, Google News. And then, click on the first website. So now, you are in the home page of Google News. This is like an online newspaper where you can find news on anything and everything. And as you can see here, we have so many articles in different topics like business, technology, entertainment, and so on. Now, you might be wondering, but how am I going to make money by browsing a news site? Don't worry, all you will be doing is copy-paste some text, nothing is going to be complicated. Just follow what I do and click what I click, and you will make money after watching this video. So now, let's continue. Alright, so now, you can ignore all these suggested articles down here. What I want you to focus on is these categories up here, like entertainment, sports, science, etc. So, just go ahead and click one of them. For me personally, I like using the health category, but you can also use one of these other categories if you like. So, let me click on this one. Now, as you can see, we have here unlimited news articles about health. They also get updated consistently. Every hour, more articles will show up, so you will never have a problem finding new articles. And by the way, each one of these articles can make you up to $40. So, if you just use 4 articles for this, you will make $160 per day, and even more. You can even make more than my results right here if you just give it more time. Now, let's get back to the tutorial. So just go ahead and click on one of these articles right here. For example, I will click on this one right here. So now, this is the article that I'm going to be using in this tutorial as an example. So now, we are done with the first step, which is how to find good articles. You also know how to use Google News now. Now next step is we will need to change this article that we got from Google News to a completely new fresh article. Because we can't just copy it and use it just as it is. We want to make sure that we don't get in any trouble with copyright. And for that, we're going to use a bot, and this bot will do the work for us. This bot uses artificial intelligence to rewrite these articles and make them unique with just one click of a button. It's very easy to do that. Just type in the search bar, Quillbot. Click on the first result, and it will then take you to this page. Now all you have to do is copy the article. Paste it here. And this bot will do the job. So, let's go back to this article and then copy everything. In my case, I will just copy a little bit because this is just an example to show you how everything works. But make sure that you copy the whole article yourself. Now, go back here and paste the article. And then just hit this green button where it says paraphrase. Now, it will just take a few seconds and your new article will be ready.
A few moments later.
And as you can see, it's done. So now, these 2 articles are the same subject, but they are 2 different articles now. And obviously the one we will use to make money is this one. Because like I told you before, we want to avoid having any copyright issues. You can do the same process to all these other Google News articles. And remember, you can also try these other categories if you like. And by the way, you can also upgrade from here if you want your articles to be 100% perfect, but if you can't pay for that, no problem. This free version will do a good job too. Now, we are in the final step where I will show you how to make money with your new article that you have generated with Quillbot. So, the first thing you want to do is copy your new article by clicking here and then save it somewhere safe. So I will just save it here on a new text document. Because we are going to be selling these articles to other websites that are going to pay us big bucks for our words. I will show you 2 different websites in this video, so you can even double your earnings. And stay tuned for the second website, it's my favorite, because that's where I made this amount of money myself. So once you have your article saved, here is the first website where you can make money. It's called eatonwell.com. And here is the exciting part. This website will literally pay you $1 for each word that you write, no matter where you live in the world. And by the way, if you guys still watching the video, comment your country below, and don't forget to subscribe. So, eatingwell.com pay you $1 for each word you write. So, if you have a 200 words article, you will get $200, and the second website I'm going to show you pays $2 per word. which means $400 for a 200 words article. It's very easy, you don't have to spend any money or spend hours writing, because like I have shown you before, we are going to be using Google News and Quillbot for this. So don't worry, there is no hard work and no affiliate marketing or anything like that. So now, let me show you how you can actually make money with your articles on this website. It's very simple. Once you are on this site, you will see that the pay is $1 per word. And next, you want to grab their email address from their website, and then, what you're going to have to do is send them an email with the subject line, content submission. Then, just tell them on the email that you have an article that you want to submit and that you are excited to hear back from them. You can use this template as it is, if you like. But I would recommend that you change some words here, just to make your email 100% unique. Always try to be a little bit more creative with this stuff, and add some of your own words and stuff like that. So next step is you just want to copy the article that you have generated from Google News and Quillbot, and like I said before, make sure that you copy the whole article. Then, just paste it back here to your email. And the final step is just hit send. So then, if they did like your article, they will reply and ask for your payment details, like PayPal or bank transfer, etc. You can choose then how you want to get paid, as they have multiple options available. And don't worry, since it's your own article, there shouldn't be any issues. This website is also 100% legit. It has been in business for years. You can literally start doing this instantly after watching this video. You can do this with as many articles as you like, so there is no limits on how much money that you can make. The more you do it, the more money you will make. So now, let me show you the second and last website, which is my favorite site. It's called aarp.org. And here is the good news, they pay you $2 per word for each article that you are going to submit. So you will definitely make more money here than the other website. But I would still recommend using both sites to maximize your earnings and increase your chances of making more money. And this website does not only pay more money, but they also accept articles in different categories and topics, like caregiving, games, travel, and much more. So you are not going to be limited only to health articles, like eatingwell.com. Now, keep in mind that these websites will not accept every single article that you submit to them, because they may already have similar articles submitted by someone else. But even if they just accept one article per day, you can still make a lot of money. So, there is no worries, and you can start doing this right now for completely free and get paid directly to your PayPal account or bank account. It's extremely easy, just copy and paste and then send emails. If you can do that, you can make money from this. If you want to learn how to submit articles to this site, just go to their website and check out their submission process. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you soon in another video.